Hey guys, this is Margarita, your girl from Go Dominican Life. Today I'm showing you a house that is exclusively listed with Go Dominican Life, and it's located in one of the most beautiful residentials in the hills of Sosua. This residential is called Agua Dulce, and I have an amazing house for you to see. It has 3 bedrooms and it is beautiful according to its views. It's brand new. And on top of that, the owner is offering owner financing with only 50% down. This is also a beautiful home for rentals, so I really want you to see this one. Why don't you come on in? So this amazing house is waiting for you. It could be your investment home, but it could also be a beautiful family home. It's finished with high-end finishes and is ready for you to move in because it's beautifully furnished and it's a recently built home. So probably the right one for you. So you know what to do. Click on the link here below for more information. Give us a like, subscribe, and don't forget to share with all of your friends. Bye.